welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a VR for Corn. Her channel name is Cornflower Crafts. I'm sure you guys know her, but in case you don't, of course all her information will be linked down below. And if you've been busy, I'm here to let you know she's having a handmade giveaway. And we all know that Corn does gorgeous projects. She is amazing at layering, inking. She uses beautiful fabrics, papers, and everything. And in this case, she is giving away an altered file folder. And she shared it, and the video is linked below, and it is gorgeous, guys. And in her video for this giveaway, you have to let her know why you like vintage. So that is what Corn's giveaway is about. She just loves to give back to her subscribers. It's as simple as that. You let her know what you like about vintage, and you do a VR to help promote her channel. So that is what this video is about, guys, and I hope you go by Corn's channel and check out her beautiful altered file folder and get in on her giveaway. So that is it for today, and as always, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!